What makes Bengali Dim Posto unique when there are so many egg curry recipes available, both Indian and foreign? Is this just another curry made with eggs? Dim Posto, a Bengali egg curry made with poppy seed paste in a mustard oil base, is your thing if you enjoy the earthy, nutty flavor of Posto Dana, also known as poppy seeds, along with the sharpness of the mustard oil and green chilli in the gravy and the boiled egg, soaking up all those flavors. Thus, you must hard boil eggs. To do that, bring water to a boil and add a teaspoon of salt. Once the water is boiling, add the eggs. You can see 8 eggs here, but I used 6 in the curry. After boiling the eggs for 8 minutes, turn off the heat. After that, throw away the water and let the eggs soak in ice water for 5 minutes before peeling and peel the eggs. Next, cut slits in the eggs to prepare them for Dim Posto curry. Prepare the Bengali egg curry with poppy seed paste. Begin by making Posto Bata. Put 3 to 4 green chilies and 100 grams of dried posto in a blender jar. Then dry grind. Depending on how hot you want the Dim Posto, you can change the amount of chili. Make a smooth paste by adding 6 to 8 tablespoons of water to the jar once the initial grinding is complete. There is nothing wrong with your paste being a little runny. Now take 4 medium onions and cut them into slices after removing the skin. If you are using large onions, use fewer. I like to use tomato in the Dim Posto because it gives the gravy a beautiful color, balance and acidity. So take a large tomato and roughly chop it. You can, however, omit the tomato, though I would not advise it. Next, cut 4 to 5 green chilies into strips as I did. If you want a spicy dim curry. If you want the egg curry to be a little milder, use the whole chilies. The preparation work is now complete. In a pan, heat up 5 tablespoons of mustard oil. Mustard oil provides the distinctive, strong and pungent flavor to Dim Posto dish. However, if you don't like mustard oil or can't locate it, substitute another oil, but keep in mind that your egg curry will be mild in that case. When the oil is hot, add the sliced onions and fry until they turn a deep pink. Do not overcook them. Add the chopped green chilies and tomatoes now and mix well. At this stage, maintain a medium flame, stir constantly and simmer until the tomatoes are tender. Now, thoroughly mix in 1 teaspoon each of salt, turmeric powder and red chilli powder. Cook for another minute after adding the spices. To keep moisture, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water while cooking. This phase will take 3 to 4 minutes to complete on a medium flame. When finished, add the poppy seed paste or Posto Bata. Once added, thoroughly combine and cook for 1 minute on a low flame. Add half cup of water while cooking the gravy. By the way, in Hindi, posto is referred to as Khuskhus. You will notice that there is no longer a raw smell after adding the water and cooking the Posto Bata on low heat for 3 minutes. After the gravy begins to boil, add the boiled eggs. Stir and simmer for 2 minutes straight over low heat without a lid. After washing the grinder jar with 2 cups of water, I added it to the pan. We don't throw away posto since it is expensive. Now cook for 4 to 5 minutes on a medium flame. The gravy will thicken, oil will float on top, and the dim posto will emit a rich, nutty aroma. Add 1 or 2 tablespoons of mustard oil at this point for a stronger flavor. Stir and turn off the stove. The dim posto is ready now. A few things to consider now. You can add less mustard oil. Dim posto is sometimes sweetened with sugar. When preparing this dish, I dislike adding sugar. If you'd like, you can add it. For an additional layer of flavor, you might add some dhone bata or coriander leaves. Serve this tangy, spicy Bengali Dim Posto with hot steamed rice, garam bhat. Enjoy this traditional Bengali egg curry while letting the rice absorb the goodness of the gravy. Please share your thoughts in the comment area about this Dim Posto recipe. Tell me what other dishes you would like me to post at Debjanir Rannaghar. I'll do my best to return shortly with a new recipe. Until then, stay safe.